Do you know why it is said that steel structure is the optimal solution for building structures? First, the cost is controllable. Steel structure material is light metal, which is much cheaper than traditional concrete. At the same time, factory prefabrication on-site assembly reduce a lot of labor costs. Second, fast delivery. Standardized design, modular production can be done as soon as 30 days to complete the delivery, so that owners put into use as soon as possible. Third, green innovation. Steel can be recycled and reused to minimize carbon emissions during the whole life cycle of the building. At the same time, the components are processed in the factory, and the construction site is dry worked, which does not produce construction waste and is truly green and environmentally friendly. LF Steel Structure, with the international leading prefabrication production process, shortens the average construction period by 30%, making your project one step faster. By optimizing the supply chain and scale manufacturing, we can truly achieve cost control and worry-free settlement. From program customization to on-site installation, the whole process is worry-free. Choose LF Steel Structure to make your project faster, cheaper, and greener. Inquire now to open a new era of efficient construction.